how to add QR code to Wix website. So basically, what you're gonna have to do is simply open a new tab and then simply search for QR code Wix generator and click on the first link. Then you're gonna get redirected here. So simply scroll down and then you're gonna have to simply choose the content type. So you have text, URL, phone, SMS, vcard, image, PDF, Wi-Fi, and email. So I'm gonna choose URL. Now here you're gonna have to simply enter your URL, and then here you're gonna have the QR code. So as you can see, you can select the size, you can change the background color, the dot color, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on download. But you're gonna have to make sure that you're logged in with your Wix account. Then simply choose any of these available. So as you can see, we have the QR code here. Then simply go back to Wix and then click on add elements, then go to images. So go to image, and then you're gonna have to click on upload images, then simply select the QR code that we just downloaded, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on it to add it to our website, and that's it. So as you can see, select it, then click on add to page, and that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.